Sa video na to, we are diving into one of the most important decisions for starting or scaling your online store. Shopify versus Bluehost. Alin sa dalawa yung pinaka-the best para sa e-commerce business mo? Kung hindi ka pa sure kung anong platform ang pipiliin, hindi ka nag-iisa. Magkaibang klase ng mga seller ang tinutulungan ng Shopify at Bluehost, and understanding what each has to offer can make or break your online success. Sa video na to, we're gonna explore the key features and strengths of Shopify and Bluehost, kung gaano sila nagkakaiba sa presyo, functionality, at kung gaano kadali gamitin. Pati na rin paano mag-sign up sa bawat isa. But make sure to stick around until the end kasi I'm gonna show you exactly how to score the best deals on both platforms. Pwede ka makakuha up to 80% off of Bluehost and start with Shopify for just $1. I'm gonna tell you exactly how kung paano makakuha ng access sa pinakamagandang deals. Kung ready ka nang pumili ng perfect na platform at i-set up ang e-commerce store mo for success, simulan natin sa Shopify. Ang Shopify ay isang pinakasikat na e-commerce platforms ngayon at may magandang dahilan kung bakit. It's a dedicated solution designed specifically for selling online, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced sellers. Ano nga bang Shopify? Ang Shopify ay isang platform that allows you to build, manage, and scale an online store without needing extensive technical knowledge. Kilalang-kilala ito sa user-friendly na interface, built-in tools at professional templates na nagpapadali at nagpapabilis sa pag-setup ng online store mo. Ito ang mga dahilan kung bakit standout ang Shopify. Streamlined setup. Ang Shopify ay ginawa for simplicity. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-alala about hosting, security, o kahit payment gateways. Kasama na lahat yan. Built for e-commerce. Hindi tulad ng ibang website builders na parang dinagdag lang ang e-commerce. Ang Shopify ay talagang ginawa para sa pagbebenta. From inventory management to shipping and taxes, it handles the entire process seamlessly. Ang Shopify ay loaded with features to help you grow your business. Beautiful templates. Shopify offers a variety of free and premium templates to suit your brand style. Kahit ano pa yung binibenta mo, fashion, electronics, o handmade crafts, may template na perfect para sa'yo. Integrated payment processing. Sa Shopify Payments, pwede kang tumanggap ng credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, at marami pang iba nang hindi na kailangan ng third-party processor. 24/7 support. Kung may mga tanong ka, available ang customer support team ng Shopify anytime, araw o gabi. Pero hindi lang yan. Ang App Store ng Shopify ay talagang game changer. It has thousands of apps for everything from email marketing to inventory management, kaya pwede mong i-customize ang store mo sa gusto mo. If you know you're ready to get started with Shopify, siguraduhin i-click ang exclusive link sa description para makapagsimula. Pag-usapan naman natin ng Bluehost, isang web hosting platform na nagbibigay daan sa'yo para makagawa ng highly customizable na website gamit ang WordPress at WooCommerce. While it's not strictly an e-commerce platform, Bluehost offers the tools you need to create a store that's uniquely yours. Ano nga ba ang Bluehost sa pinaka-core nito? Bluehost is a hosting provider. Ito ang go-to platform kung gusto mong gumawa ng website from scratch, kung blog man, portfolio, o online store. Ang Bluehost ay perfect na partner ng WordPress, ang pinakasikat na content management system, at WooCommerce, ang leading e-commerce plugin. Sa Bluehost, ikaw ang may control. You can choose your website's layout, features, and functionality. You're not limited by preset templates or themes. Pwede kang gumamit ng plugins para magdagdag ng mga tools mula sa SEO hanggang sa social media integrations. Bluehost e-commerce capabilities. Kapag pinagsama mo ang Bluehost, WordPress at WooCommerce, you unlock a powerful e-commerce solution with unlimited customization. Kung gusto mo magkaroon ng store layout na wala sa iba, Bluehost is gonna give you that flexibility to create exactly what you envision. Bluehost lets you upgrade your hosting plan to handle increased traffic and large product catalog. Budget-friendly pricing. Hosting starts as low as $3 per month and there are no transaction fees for using WooCommerce. Pero syempre, with great power comes with great responsibility. Setting up a WordPress site requires more hands-on work than Shopify. But if you're willing to put in the timer or hire a developer, Bluehost gives you unmatched creative freedom. Kung alam mong ready ka na, pwede mong subukan ng Bluehost. Make sure na i-click ang exclusive link sa description para makakuha ng best price possible. Shopify's key features. Shopify stands out as purpose-built e-commerce platform designed to make running an online store as smooth as possible. Kahit na sa complete beginners. All-in-one platform. Ang Shopify is isang complete e-commerce solution, so you don't need to worry about finding hosting providers, mag-set up ng SSL certificates, or mag-manage ng server updates. Shopify handles everything for you. Ibig sabihin nito, less time to spend on technical setups and more time focusing on your products and marketing. Ini-ensure din na ang store mo ay secure at reliable with industry standard performance. User-friendly dashboard. The Shopify dashboard is intuitive and organized. Pwede ka mag-add ng products, mag-track ng orders, view customer data, at mag-manage ng shipping all from one place. Ang drag-and-drop editor lets you easily customize your website without any coding experience. Kung gusto mong mag-rearrange ng section o add a banner, it's just a few clicks away. Professional design options. First impression matter, especially online. Ang Shopify nag-offer ng wide range of templates na mukhang sleek at professional. Meron din mga free themes na maganda for beginners who are looking to launch quickly na hindi nagagastos ng extra para sa design. But they also have premium themes if you want a unique look. Pwede ka din mag-purchase ng premium themes that cater to specific industries katulad ng fashion, electronics, or fitness. Lahat ng themes are responsive, meaning your site will look great on desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Isa sa Shopify's biggest advantage is a built-in payment gateway, Shopify Payments. Pwede ka mag-accept ng payment via credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, at iba pa na hindi kailangan ng third-party processor. Para dun sa mas gusto yung other payment gateways, Shopify integrates with over 100 external options like PayPal and Stripe. Shopify App Store. Ang App Store is one of the platform's most powerful features, offering over 6,000 apps to enhance your store. Kung kailangan mo ng tool for email marketing, meron silang Klaviyo or Mailshrimp. Or kung naghahanap ka ng dropshipping integration, meron din silang apps for that. Mula sa advanced analytics to customer loyalty programs, Shopify's app ecosystem makes it super easy to expand your store's functionality. Built-in marketing tools. Included din ng tools sa Shopify to help you promote your store, create discount codes, offer free shipping, at mag-run ng flash sales directly from the platform. Meron din itong SEO-friendly features like customizable meta tags, automatic sitemap generation, and clean URLs na nagpapadali for your store to rank on search engines. Social media sellers. Nag-i-integrate ang Shopify sa mga platforms tulad ng Facebook, Instagram, at Pinterest kaya pwede ka magbenta diretso sa mga channels na yan. Kung interested ka pang malaman ang Shopify's feature further, make sure to check out the link in the description. Bluehost key features. Ang Bluehost ay isang flexible na hosting platform na perfectly nag-prepare sa WordPress. Nagbibigay sa iyo ng full control sa design and functionality ng iyong website. WordPress integration. Ang Bluehost ay official na nare-recommend ng WordPress kaya isa itong maasahang pagpipilian sa paggawa ng WordPress website. WordPress powers over 40% of the web, and with Bluehost, you can harness its full potential for your online store. Ang pag-install ng WordPress sa Bluehost ay isang one-click process at mula doon maaari mong i-customize ang site mo gamit ang themes at plugins. WooCommerce capability. E-commerce functionality is easily added with WooCommerce. Ang Bluehost ay nag-integrate sa WooCommerce na pinaka-popular na e-commerce plugin para sa WordPress. Ang WooCommerce ay libre install at nag-aalok ng mga essential features tulad ng product listings, shopping carts, at secure payment gateways. Supported din nito ang mga extensions para sa mga advanced features tulad ng subscriptions, memberships, at bookings. Customization freedom. Bluehost gives you complete creative control over your website. Unlike Shopify, na nag-ooperate within its platform limits, Bluehost lets you modify every element of your site, mula sa layout to the checkout process. There are thousands of WordPress themes available, allowing you to create a store that reflects your brand perfectly. Plugins allow you to add virtually any functionality you can think of, mula sa SEO tools hanggang sa live chat support. Scalability. As your business grows, Bluehost hosting plans can scale with you. Pwede ka magsimula sa basic shared hosting plan at mag-upgrade sa VPS o dedicated hosting habang tumataas ang traffic at storage needs mo. Ang flexibility na to ensures that your site performs well during high traffic periods like holiday sales. Now, let's go ahead and compare the two. Pag kinumpara ang Shopify sa Bluehost, mahalaga maintindihan kung paano sila nagkakaiba pagdating sa ease of use, customization, and scalability. Each platform excels in specific areas depending on your needs and technical expertise. Ease of use. Shopify is the clear winner kung ang hinahanap mo ay platform na easy to set up and manage. Shopify is hands down the better option. Its intuitive interface and drag-and-drop tool allow even complete beginners to create a professional-looking online store in no time. By contrast, Bluehost is powerful but requires more effort to get up and running. With Bluehost, kailangan mong install ang WordPress, set up the WooCommerce plugin, tapos manually select, install, and configure themes and plugins to design your store. Customization. Ang Bluehost ay nangunguna pagdating sa customization. Bluehost offers ng mas malaking flexibility kaysa sa Shopify dahil gamit nito ang WordPress, isang open source platform na walang katapusang possibility para sa customization. Shopify, on the other hand, while still customizable, operates within more defined boundaries. Scalability. Mas pinadali ng Shopify ang scaling. Both Shopify and Bluehost can handle growing businesses, but Shopify offers a more seamless path to scale. Ang infrastructure ng Shopify at mga built-in scalability tools nito ay ginagawang mas maganda pagpilian para sa mga negosyo looking to grow without worrying about performance issues. Ang Bluehost is a solid option para sa mga handang maglaan ng effort para mag-manage ng hosting upgrades at plugins as their store grows. Ease of use. When it comes to ease of use, panalo ang Shopify by landslide. Ito ay disenyo para kahit sinong gustong gumawa ng store ng mabilis at walang kahirap-hirap. Customization. Bluehost offers unmatched flexibility, making it an ideal choice for users who want total control over their website's design and features. Scalability. Ang mga integrated tools at seamless upgrades ng Shopify make it easier to grow, while Bluehost scalability requires more technical involvement. Yung choice mo, it ultimately depends on your priorities. Kung simplicity and convenience ang hanap mo, Shopify is the way to go. Pero if you value creative control and comfortable managing a more complex setup, then Bluehost is definitely the better fit. If you want to check them out further, click the links in the description to get started. Ngayon, i-breakdown natin ang cost of each plan to help you decide which option fits best for you. Starting with the basic plan. This is the most popular and ideal for solo entrepreneurs. You can get started for just $1 on your first month. Tapos, the cost goes to $29 per month if you pay yearly. You do save some money if you pay in full or a year. This is best for solo entrepreneurs. Within each plans, iba't iba ang rates. Some of the key features ng basic plan includes up to 77% shipping discount, 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, localized global selling of 3 markets. Next, we have the Shopify plan, which is designed for small teams. Ang plan na to costs $79 per month if paid annually. At ang standout features are up to 88% shipping discount and insurance, 5 additional staff accounts, POS Lite, point of sale, 24/7 chat support, localized global selling. Both plans offer different benefits depending on the size of your team as they scale. Ang advanced plan ay nagkakahalaga na $299 per month, pero pwede mo siyang itry for just $1 sa unang buwan. Ito yung mga standout features ng advanced plan. Up to 88% shipping discount and insurance, third-party calculated rates, custom reports and analytics, 10 inventory locations, enhanced 24/7 chat support, localized global selling, 3 markets with the option to add more markets for $59 per month each, 15 additional staff accounts, 10 times checkout capacity, and more. Para sa Shopify Plus plan, which is designed for high-volume merchants, the cost is $2,300 per month with a 3-year term. This plan includes competitive rates at ang mga standout features ay 88% shipping discount and insurance, third-party calculated rates, custom reports and analytics, 200 inventory locations, priority 24/7 phone support, localized global selling, unlimited staff accounts, customizable checkout with 40 times capacity, and much more. Ngayon, moving on to Bluehost. Bluehost naman offers a variety of plans with great discounts, and you can save up 81% with their choice plan. Tara, let's take a look at their basic plan. It's $1.99 per month, 10 websites, 100 concurrent visitors, ideal for sites with up to 40K visits per month, AI-powered site creation, 30-day money-back guarantee, free domain for the first year, Pro email included, free SSL and CDN, web application firewall, DDoS protection, at 24/7 chat support. Sunod ay ang Choice Plus plan ng Bluehost na maaari mo makuha ng may 85% na discount. It starts with $2.65 per month at kasama ang lahat ng features ng basic plan but with added benefits. 50 websites, mas malaking storage at mas maraming concurrent visitors, ideal for a higher number of visits. You also get everything with the basic plan with phone support and daily website backups. Bluehost also offers specialized plan called Online Store Plan, which is perfect for e-commerce. You can save 67%, making it just $6.25 per month Ang plan na to includes everything from the choice plan plus additional e-commerce features, automated real-time backups with Jetpack, commerce solution integrated for selling online. Lastly, ang Pro Plan, and you can save 52% who wants to set up and manage e-commerce store with advanced storage, enhanced security, and backups. Nagsa-start ito from $9.99 a month. With this plan, you get everything that you get with online choice and basic plans, pero you get more websites. You have 100 websites, you get more storage, more concurrent visitors, and it's ideal for larger visits per month. Again, you get everything included sa previous plans that we talk about except for the commercial solution. The Pro plan is why you get daily website backups for the first year free. So now, paano ka magsisimula with each? Again, make sure to click on the exclusive link in the description to get started. Pagkatapos, ilagay mo lang yung email address at pwede ka na magsimula ng libre. After that, ilagay mo yung email and password. Go ahead and click on Create Shopify Account. Now, with Bluehost, again, i-click ang aming exclusive links sa description para makapagsimula. You want to make sure you are jumping on this Black Friday promotion because it will not last forever. Para makakuha ng access to this Black Friday promotion, go ahead and click Get Started and then Next. Pwede mong ilagay ang iyong domain. Piliin mo yung plan na gusto mong kunin. Pagkatapos, kailangan mo magdesisyon kung gaano katagal ang iyong subscription. Depending if you sign up for 1 year, 3 years, or monthly, you can get a free trial for 3 months. So, go ahead at i-click mo yung continue to checkout. Pwede ka mag-add ng services, solution as well, and that's an extra $4.99 a month. All you have to do is go ahead and click on continue to checkout. I also wanted to tell you about Storebuild.ai. If you're ready to start your e-commerce journey today, gusto kong i-introduce to you ang Storebuild.ai, the ultimate solution for launching your Shopify store with zero hassle. Ngayon, using the exclusive link in the description, pwede ka makakuha ng custom-built Shopify store for free using their advanced AI technology. Ito yung makukuha mo. High-converting Shopify store tailored just for you. 10 proven trending products added to your store and access to the best suppliers in the industry with fast and reliable shipping. Magkakaroon ka ng tools and resources na kailangan mo to start selling successfully. Ang best part, ang entire setup just takes 5 minutes and hindi mo kailangan ng technical skills. It's quick, reliable, and perfect for beginners who want every advantage in building their e-commerce businesses. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay i-click ang exclusive link in the description and follow the steps. In no time, you'll have a professional, high-converting Shopify store ready to launch. Click our exclusive link in the description to get started with Storebuild.ai and take the first steps towards your e-commerce store. That wraps up this video. Sana nakatulong ito sa iyo on deciding which e-commerce store is best fit for you. Kung na-enjoy mong video na to, make sure to like and subscribe and leave any comments that you have. Ang channel na to ay dedicated to helping you succeed in the e-commerce world by providing expert advice and in-depth reviews of the best tools to grow your online business. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.